In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Website Not Allowed problem on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then scroll down again and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Next, tap on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Then scroll down a bit and tap on Web Content. Now select Unrestricted Access to unblock all websites so you can access them without restrictions. If this method is not working, try the second one. Open Settings, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Apps. Search for Safari. Scroll down and tap on Clear History and Website Data. Select All History, tap Close All Tabs, then tap Clear History again. And that's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.